Hello my dear students, here I am Dhruva Patel, your biology teacher in Aaradhya class at c.t.m. Now we have seen with some basic shapes of the bacteria in our last session. Now we will study in somewhat detail about the bacteria in our this session. Fine. So beta this bacteria might be a locomotory. वो locomotory हो सकते हैं बेटा, but for the locomotion यानी कि एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाने के लिए उसमें must be कुछ locomotory organ होना चाहिए, because as you know very well कि ये bacteria जो है they are generally unicellular. So as you know, in a unicellular organism there is no organ or specialized organ for a function, for a different type of function. So बेटा उसमें मेनली प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल होता है एंड वो सेल के अंदर ही ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ एडेप्टेशन होते हैं कि जिसकी वजह से वो डिफरेंट फंक्शंस परफॉर्म कर पाते हैं. So likewise beta in a bacteria there is one locomotory organ present that is known as the flagella, and with the help of that flagella they can move and locomote. Fine. But beta in these bacteria class there are different types of bacteria on the basis of the number and arrangement of the flagella. Fine. So mostly cells have the one or more flagella for the locomotion in this class, and on the basis of their pattern of arrangement of the flagella, that is known as flagellation, they are of the following category. First one is known as the Atricus, that is known as the no flagella present as in a coccus. इसमें कोकाई बैक्टीरिया से होते हैं बेटा कि जिसमें फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट ही नहीं होता है. फाइन. इन दीज नो फ्लैजेला इज प्रेजेंट एज इन अ कोकस बैक्टीरिया, कि कोई फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट ही नहीं होता है बेटा. अगर हम उसकी डायग्राम ड्रॉ करें सो दे आर सिंपली लाइक दिस विथ द नो फ्लैजेला. फाइन. नाउ बेटा द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ बैक्टीरिया ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फ्लैजेला इज नोन एज द मोनोट्राइकस. means only one flagella present at the one end of the bacteria. बैक्टीरिया के दो एंड होते हैं, उसमें से बेटा कोई भी एक एंड पे एक फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट होता है. फाइन. इन दीज ओनली वन फ्लैजेला is present at one end of a bacteria. Fine. Just for an example, likewise. देखो बेटा कोई भी एक एंड के पर फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट होता है एंड दिस इज द लोकोमोटरी ऑर्गन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज नोन एज द एम्फियोट्राइकस. This is nothing beta but one flagella present at both the end of the bacteria. Means बैक्टीरिया की दोनों एंड के पर एक एक फ्लैजेला प्रेजेंट होता है फॉर द लोकोमोशन एंड मूवमेंट. फाइन. इन दीज one flagella is present at the both ends of bacteria. Both the ends of bacteria. And over here we can draw these as like beta this is the body of the bacteria and on both the end one flagella is present for the locomotion. So this is nothing but this is known as the Amphiotricus. Now the next type of the bacteria, that is the Cephalotricus on the basis of the flagella. In these beta, the tuft of the flagella means more number of flagella present at the one end of the cell, that is known as the Cephalotricus. Okay, tuft of flagella present at one end of the cell. Fine. Just for an example, we can draw the diagram for same. Just like this is the bacterial cell, and at the one end there are more number of flagella present, that is known as the tuft of the flagella. Fine. Now next one is the Lophotricus, where tuft of the flagella present on both the end of the cell or bacteria, that is known as the Lophotricus. Tuft of flagella present on both the end of bacteria or cell is known as the Lophotricus. And just for an example, we can draw the diagram for like this is nothing but the tuft of the bacteria present on both the end of the cell, that is known as the Lophotricus. Now beta, last one is the Peritricus. Peritricus simply means that the flagella present all over the body of a bacteria or cell is known as the Lophotricus. Flagella present all over the body of bacteria is known as the Peritricus. See, just for an example, that is nothing but like the flagella is present all over the body for the locomotion. Now beta, we will see further about the eubacteria. As you know very well, this is the whole kingdom of the bacteria, so we cannot see them by the naked eye. Fine, उसको हम naked eye से नहीं देख सकते हैं बेटा. So we have to compulsory observe it inside the or in a microscope. हमें microscope में ही देखना पड़ता है. And so for that